Hello students, today in three-dimensional geometry, our topic is to find foot of perpendicular on the line and image of the point in the line. Let us discuss question. Find foot of perpendicular drawn from point P with coordinates 1, 2, 3 on the line x minus 6 upon 3 equal to y minus 7 upon 2 equal to z minus 7 upon minus 2. Also find equation of perpendicular and length of perpendicular. Here the given line L is x minus 6 upon 3 equal to y minus 7 upon 2 equal to z minus 7 upon minus 2. Let n is foot of perpendicular from P on the line L. Any point on given line L, we can take x minus 6 upon 3 equal to y minus 7 upon 2 equal to z minus 7 upon minus 2 equal to lambda. Then point n is 3 lambda plus 6, 2 lambda plus 7 minus 2 lambda plus 7. Direction ratios of line Pn are, we know, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So we get 3 lambda plus 6 minus 1, 2 lambda plus 7 minus 2, minus 2 lambda plus 7 minus 3. And direction ratios are 3 lambda plus 5, 2 lambda plus 5, minus 2 lambda plus 4. Direction ratios of line L are 3, 2, minus 2. Dear students, please take care, write direction ratios without bracket. The sign put as here. Now we know Pn perpendicular L. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. 3 into 3 lambda plus 5 plus 2 into 2 lambda plus 5 minus 2 into minus 2 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. And after simplification, we get lambda equal to minus 1. Now coordinates of point N are, put the value of lambda here in the point, 3 into minus 1 plus 6, 2 into minus 1 plus 7, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 7. And the point is 3, 5, 9. So foot of perpendicular N is 3, 5, 9. Length of perpendicular Pn, use distance formula. Pn equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. And this is root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square plus 9 minus 3 whole square. And we get it as 7 units. Now, equation of perpendicular Pn. Here, Pn is passing through 2 points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 5, 9. So, equation of line is x minus x1 upon A equal to y minus y1 upon B equal to z minus z1 upon C. And A, B, C direction ratios of line Pn are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And we get 2, 3, 6. So equation of perpendicular Pn is x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 upon 3 equal to z minus 3 upon 6. Sometimes we are also asked to find image of the point P through the line L. So let here P dash is the image with coordinates alpha, beta, gamma. We know Pn equal to Pn dash. So Pn equal to P dash n. So n is midpoint of Pp dash. Use midpoint formula here. We get 1 plus alpha upon 2 equal to 3, alpha equal to 5. 2 plus beta upon 2 equal to 5, beta equal to 8. And gamma plus 3 upon 2 equal to 9, gamma equal to 15. So image P dash is 5, 8, 15. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of point where the line through the points 5, 1, 6 and 3, 4, 1 crosses YZ plane. Equation of the given line passes through points 5, 1, 6 and 3, 4, 1. We know equation of line x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. And it is x minus 5 upon 2 equal to y minus 1 upon minus 3 equal to z minus 6 upon 5. Any point on line is P 2 lambda plus 5 minus 3 lambda plus 1 5 lambda plus 6. As line crosses yz plane, so point P lies on yz plane, and in yz plane x coordinate is 0, so put x coordinate 2 lambda plus 5 equal to 0, lambda equal to minus 5 by 2. Now put this value of lambda in point P, we get P 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5 minus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1 5 into minus 5 by 2 plus 6. Point P is 0, 17 by 2 minus 13 by 2. So point of intersection is 0, 17 by 2 minus 13 by 2. I hope you understand this concept, and now your home assignment is to do similar questions from chapter 11. Thank you.